Hi everyone, so this is me back with my little craft with me and my little tiny journal. I made the journal just using some leftover pieces of coffee dyed paper, and I've just been filling it up using scraps and just little pieces that I have floating around, trying to use it up and trying to put it into something. So I'm enjoying this so far. I've only done two, well I've done three sets of it, 3 pages if you want. First one is absolutely horrible, I don't like it at all, but the one before this and this one I'm quite enjoying. So I think with things like this you will find that you grow with it, and you know, and you just do your own thing with it. So you'll probably find in this I'll be using, like I said, a lot of scraps, little butterflies. I love butterflies, they are my thing. I know a lot of people actually say as soon as they see certain things they go, we know it's you, because butterflies. So yeah, I'm just going to do this and you can sit back and watch the process. I'll put on a little bit of music. If you have any questions you can ask below, and it'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up and commented. You can even share this if you want to, but yeah, so just sit back and enjoy.